the best natural laxative. Drink this and empty your bowels and excess fluids. Plums have an enviable reputation as a laxative, and now it seems they can protect you from colon cancer, too. Researchers at the University of Texas and the University of North Carolina have found that consumption of dried plums maintains a healthy balance of bacteria in the lower colon, which is associated with a risk of lower bowel cancer. Despite its unattractive brown color, wrinkled appearance, plums have one of the highest antioxidant levels of all fruits. In fact, there are varieties of plums. As a result, plums are a concentrated potency of antioxidants present especially in fresh plums. They are also an excellent source of soluble fiber, which feeds the growth of beneficial intestinal bacteria, probiotics. The most recent research, presented in the September issue of 2015 at the Conference on Experimental Biology in Boston, suggests that plums boost the growth of a particular group of beneficial bacteria, while at the same time preventing the proliferation of another type associated with intestinal inflammation. By promoting a healthy balance of intestinal bacteria, eating prunes is associated with fewer changes in precancerous cells in the colon linings. We suggest another natural remedy, the jam, which was made by the Veterans Hospital in Quebec. It is also called the hospital jam because it has been tested in patients who have had a severe form of constipation. It is so effective that you can get a recipe for it. Ingredients: 1. 150 grams date palm. 2. 150 grams of plums. 3. 1.5 liters of boiled water. Indications: 1. Cut the date palm and plums into small pieces. 2. Put them in boiling water and cook until the mixture thickens. 3. This jam is suitable for all ages. 4. You can eat it alone, spread it on the bread, add it to the yogurt, etc. The date palm, some call it the healthiest fruit on the floor. They are a good source of natural fiber that is essential for good bowel movement. Anemia, high blood pressure, cholesterol, cancer, all these diseases can be prevented